500. It's a lot. Oh, he's got lots of extra drywall sitting here, huh? Sheesh. Hell, he's even got fire block there too.
Yeah. He's got DensShield or the Durarock stuff for his showers and shit too. Inch, 136 5/8, but we're just getting all 5/8.
Is that what we're getting? Is all this 5/8?
Yeah.
Makes sense to me.
That's what's here, and it's cheaper. And,
it's 50 cents on the dollar, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I told him 10. So.
Way to negotiate there, Dylan. Yep. you're worth your weight in gold 3 times over.
136. Still on my calculator.
There you go.